In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix Payments account. By the end, you'll be ready to accept payments on your site with a smooth, professional checkout experience. Before you start, it helps to have a few details handy: your business's legal name and address, tax information as required in your region, and the bank account where you want your payouts to go. Having this on hand will make setup quick and error-free. First, log into your Wix dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. You'll want to be logged in as the site owner or with the appropriate permissions so you can access payment settings without interruptions. Next, head to Settings, then choose Accept Payments. This is where Wix gathers all your payment options in one place. You'll see Wix Payments listed among the providers. Wix Payments is the native solution that keeps everything in your dashboard, simplifies payouts, and allows you to track transactions easily. Click Wix Payments, then select Set up Wix Payments to begin the onboarding form. This opens a guided flow where you'll enter your business and banking information. Take your time here, accuracy matters. Start with your business details, use your exact legal business name, not a nickname or store name, and ensure the address matches official records. Consistency with your tax records and bank account name helps prevent verification delays. When you enter tax information, follow the prompts for your location and business type. Providing complete and correct data now helps avoid payout holds later. If you're a sole proprietor, the information may be tied to you as an individual. If you operate a registered company, use your company's legal details. For bank information, enter your account and routing numbers carefully, or your IBAN and BIC if applicable in your region. Double-check digits before moving on. The name on the bank account should match the business or individual name you provided earlier. Make sure the currency setting aligns with your bank account to avoid conversion issues. When everything looks correct, continue through the form and save your setup. Wix will securely process your details, and your payment settings will reflect the status. If anything needs clarification, you'll be notified within your dashboard or by email, and you can return to these settings to make edits if required. That's it. You've set up Wix Payments, keeping your checkout integrated, your payouts consolidated, and your customers' experience seamless. If you're ready to take payments, you're already on the right track. Thanks for watching and happy selling.